Water isn't fizzy, Jack. Ah, yeah, it wasn't water. I feel better after letting that one out. Relief, fucking the Kraken from my stomach or something.